Okay, hi there, bitches. So I'm here to play Unfair Mario, motherfucking bitch. Okay, I'm back from the Paris. Sorry for being so long there. I haven't made videos once. So here it is, Unfair Mario, and if I have a time, I will play Cat Mario 2. Bitch! Okay, let's go to level 2. Watch out, nigga. Son of a bitch! Ain't you too? Okay. Oh yeah, we continued. Seriously? A fucking watch out there? Seriously, brother? Don't fall. Shit! Okay, let's do this bro style mode. Bro style mode, bitch. You bitch. You nigga. You little shit. You can't do what bro do. You can't, nigga. Oh! Shh. Seriously, motherfucking niggas. If I play this game one more, if I die one more, I'm going to Cat Mario, cause this game is bullshit. I know there it comes, and there's the checkpoint, bitch! No! Fuck! I hate my life. Son of a bitch! Bro style, bitch. Bro style, Mario. Okay, Mario, we have to do bro style. If you wanna live, you gotta do bro style. Schnitzel. Okay, 88 test, not good, but okay, 89. Okay, let's do this. Shit. Okay, 90 test, not bad. Okay, 100 test, not an option. Okay. Okay, whoa. Okay. Shit. Son of a bitch. Kraken wagon. Okay, boost up. Son of a bitch. Okay, I have to say bitch. Fake. Okay, Cloud, you're not fake. Oh, look at this, look at this. Gmo bitches, I'm flying. Okay, I have to do a shh every time. Oh, look at me, I'm flying. It's a me, Super Mario Fly. Here we go, jump, yay, nigga! Okay. Shit. Okay, it's time to Mario! It's a me, Mario. It's a me, bitch. Okay, just jump every time and you will success. Someone said just jump every time if you need. Jump every time, okay. Bitch! Okay, let's do this shit, and now, wait. Okay, hello to the Cat Mario, that other game, Unfair Mario sucked ass. So I'm gonna play this now. On level 1. I like when you die. It's so fun! It's fun. Oh, bitches! Checkpoint. Okay, this looks like a white sperma. Sperm, yeah. Yeah! Bitch! Oh! Super jump activate, bitch! Boing! for me. You saved me. Blogging. Bitch. Hello, I'm back from Power on YouTube. Okay, whatever. Let's do this shit. So I'm gonna post this video and son of a bitch, fake bitch. Okay. I don't like this game. Woo! Woo! What? Okay, that's for all now. So thanks for watching and bye, guys. Hi, and thanks for watching my video. And if you liked or you pooped your pants, subscribe me, and I will be your brah, and you will be my dude. Okay, that's a little bit of gay, but thanks for subscribing or liking and favoriting. So bye, bitches. Sucker. Peace. I'm out.